What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog, and today is gonna be a different one. Now, usually it's more car content as usual, but today is a little different. So today I'm here in my city, downtown Detroit, and we are actually here at a content creators networking event. First time I've ever seen one here, first time it being here that I know of. So I decided to come out, meet some other content creators in different spaces, get some different perspectives, meet some new people, getting some new friends, network, because network is your net worth. So I'm here, see how it goes. Supposed to be a lengthy one actually, which I'm surprised. But yeah, so that's what today's vlog gonna be about. It won't be no cars for real. It's gonna be about content creation, meeting people, and yeah, so I check y'all when we get in there.
Baby, now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance, just one two step. Now with the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. You're trying to leave. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say oh. I don't know your name, but excuse me. Saw you from across the room.
Yo, so we made it into the content creator pull-up. It's actually a good turnout, bro. This shit is so fire. This is the first time that I ever seen something like this here in the city. There's a lot of people that's starting to show up now. The room is finally starting to fill up. But like I said, this is my first time ever coming to one of these. It's a fire event, bro. Networking, your net worth is your net worth. And this shit is lit, bro. I can't even lie. And it just started maybe like an hour or so ago. Supposed to go until 8, so we're gonna see what happens. But yeah, this shit is lit, bro. There's people everybody in here networking, getting numbers, getting Instagram. It's fire, bro. I can't even lie. I'm about to probably get something from the bar. I ain't gonna put that on camera, but I'm probably get something from the bar. And then enjoy myself, network, have some fun, bro. Like I said, it's the first time this ever happened, so it's a lit.
Don't pull up, bro. Don't pull up, man. Big B gang, man. Turn up, man. We here, bro. Don't pull up, bro. We here, bro. We here, bro. Pull up, bro. Pull up.
When you got creators in the moment, bro. Like, they just using a simple iPhone just to do simple content, bro. Like, just get out there, start pushing juice. Just get out there, start producing content.
Well, hey, we making content, bro. Making content, bro. Man, we're here, bro. Making content. We making content, bro. We just made a video, bro.
That's neat.
Come on, bro. We get into it, bro. I went to Miami last year, bro. For spring break.
I don't even have cards.
That bitch work. Hey, yo, hit that button right now. Right now.
I need one of these. This right here is something that I need, bro. No fake.
Fair. I'm gonna roll up real quick.
Bro, Wilder came in the building, bro.
Yes, sir.
Bro, my boys are
I got a new lens.
bro, this turnout is so crazy, bro. There's so many people that showed up.
You getting content right now? This? You see this?
Hey, you been in the gym, man.
No, he has not. You want to know what Will do? You want to know what Will do? He go to the gym and record for 2 seconds. Make it seem like he worked out. Just to make it seem like that on the gram. It's real, man.
He said what?
You be going in there and taking pictures and walking out.
Man, he crazy taking mirror selfies and shit.
We really get it in, okay? We really get it in.
How much you benching right now?
I'm lazy though, but we do get it in.
Answer the question. See, he said he lazy.
I bench max right.
He said he lazy. That lets you know he goes in there and take a picture and leave.
What's that, man? The first content creator event made me going crazy. It's nuts. If you ain't here, your ass is probably sick in the head, bro. You probably need to go to the doctor right now and see what's wrong with you, bro. So if you ain't in your right mind, I don't know what's going on. You feel me?
I'm an actor. Yeah, that's me.
Hey, let's go, bro. Let's go. Hey, he an actor too, bro. We just did a whole full-blown skit.
I'm a whole actor out here, bro. I didn't even know I had it in me, bro.
He go right here.
So, my cousin had popped up in here.
All right, boss.
My boy Dustin pulled up. We out here getting a hustle on.
If you really from Detroit, if you ain't hustle. If you from Detroit, come with your hustle.
About to. Back in the garage.
Like-
Back in the garage, man.
Jake, Will, and Nick, they came outside. Hey, this how they do it in the D, bro. Crazy. Alright, so that's the end of this Detroit content creator vlog. I got some car footage. It was banging in there, met some people. It was fire. I had an awesome time. Connect with some people, come up with some projects. I was actually in the skit that y'all gonna see out the bodyguard. I'm an actor now. You know what I'm saying? So big shout out to that. But had a great time, had fun. About to head out of here, go home, relax. I think I did a great job today. And yeah, so see y'all on the next video. Peace.